積み、小包。小包 is mean package. If you have friends or if you have another person that stay in another province or another country, that when they send a package to you, you can say 小包. For example, 昨日親から小包をもらいました。昨日親から小包をもらいました。Which means I got a package from my parents yesterday. Or yesterday I got a package from my parents. Or you can say お母さんに小包を送りました。お母さんに小包を送りました。Which means I sent a package to my mother. 友達から小包をもらいましたか？友達から小包をもらいましたか？ Which means, did you get a package from your friends? Something like this. And it's about how to create a sentence by using 小包. 小包 is mean package. Or if you want to send a package, so you should go to the post office, right? So you can say, 私は小包を郵便局に持って行きます。私は小包を郵便局に持って行きます。Which means, I will take a package to the post office. 箱is mean the box. So when you want to send something to your friends, your parents, or your relatives, if you have to buy a box, 箱 is mean a box, and the box does mean nothing inside. So when you want to send, so you can say, you should go to buy the box, so you can say, 箱を買いに行きます。Which means, I will go to buy a box. この辺はどこで箱を買えますか？この辺はどこで箱を買えますか？ Which means, where can I buy a box in around here? Even to say after you buy, so you want to put a thing to the box, you can say, 送りたいものを箱に入れてください。送りたいものを箱に入れてください。Which means, please put the thing that you want to send to other people to the box. So after that, you can put anything that you want to send to another people, to your friends, to your love. You can put anything to the box or the hako. Hako is mean in Japanese. Yuubinkyoku. Yuubinkyoku is mean post office. As you see the picture in here is marked in red. So every post office in Japan is marked in red, and they're called Yuubinkyoku. So if you don't have the post office, that means we cannot send anything. That means we need that Yuubinkyoku. So when you want to send the thing, you have to go to the post office. So you can say like 明日郵便局へ行きます。明日郵便局へ行きます。Which means I will go to the post office tomorrow. I will go to the post office tomorrow. Or if you want to take the package to the post office, you can say like 明日小包を郵便局に持って行きます。明日小包を郵便局に持って行きます。Which means I will take the package to the post office tomorrow. 切って切って means stamp. In Japan, when you want to send something to your friends, you have to buy a stamp and stick the stamp on your postcard or on your letter or on your envelope. So they can take your the things, your postcard or your package to the destination that you want to send. So the stamp in Japanese they call kite. So if you want to know about where you can buy the stamp, you can say like 切手はどこで買いますか？切手はどこで買いますか？ Which means where can I buy a stamp? この切手はいくらですか？この切手はいくらですか？ Which means how much is this stamp? その切手は200円です。その切手は200円です。Which means that stamp is 200 yen. After you buy the stamp, you want to stick the stamp on your postcard. So how to say? You can say in Japanese like this. はがきに切手を貼ります。はがきに切手を貼ります。Which means I stick a stamp on the postcard. Or you can say 鈴木さんは手紙に切手を貼ります。鈴木さんは手紙に切手を貼ります。Which means 鈴木さん sticks a stamp on the letter. Or you can say the envelope is mean the 封筒、right? 封筒に切手を貼ります。封筒に切手を貼ります。Which means stick the stamp on the envelope. 封筒に切手を貼ってください。封筒に切手を貼ってください。Which means please stick a stamp on the envelope. 郵便配達員。郵便配達員。郵便配達員 is mean mailman. It means the man that take the things from the post office to everywhere the destination is. So mailman is a job. So you want to say, what is your job? You can say like, お仕事は何ですか? お仕事は何ですか? Which means, what is your job? Or sometimes you can say in the polite way like, お仕事は So Japanese people already know that what do you want to ask about? So they will answer like, 私は郵便配達員です。私は郵便配達員です。Which means, I am a mailman. I am a mailman. 郵便配達員はいろいろなところに行きます。郵便配達員はいろいろなところに行きます。Which means, the mailman goes almost everywhere.